Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Brevo account. Alright, so first up, open up your web browser. Now type in app.brevo.com. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now once it loads, make sure that you're logged in to the account where you want to delete. Alright, for example, this is the correct account. Just click on the drop down. Now go ahead over to settings. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find the Close Your Account section. And here, as you can see, we have the button, Definitively Close Your Account. Click on it, and it says here, all data in this account will be permanently deleted. If you are sure, go ahead and click on the red button, wait for it to load, and there will be a prompt, okay? You're about to close your organization. If you want to read this, go ahead and do so. If not, just click on yes. Account closure is in progress right here. Please wait. And it says here, account closed successfully. You'll be redirected to the sign up page. And that's basically how you delete your Brevo account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.